Nigeria is work in progress.
And that was how the Supreme Court of Nigeria finally destroyed democracy in Nigeria. INEC chairman, Mr. Yakubu Mahmood, you are the architect of this whole predicament. You will never know peace for putting a whole nation, over 200 million Nigerians, into a mourning state, because no reasonable and well-meaning Nigerians will say that he or she is happy about what took place at the Supreme Court. INEC declared you winner. Tinubu, I'm talking to you. No celebration nationwide. Appeal Kotunko upheld your free. Still no jubilation anywhere. Now the Supreme Court injustices have done the same thing. Still no jubilation anywhere. You see, say people no vote you. You just won't force yourself on top us, and we say you are not our president. A criminal drug baron cannot be our president, but you say no, Iwo lo kan. Okay, now you see that you are nothing but a shameless thief, and you will continue to be an illegitimate drug dealer and certificate forger. Mr. Peter Obi won the 2023 presidential election with a wide margin. INEC colluded with APC people and refused to upload the presidential result, while allowing National Assembly results and other ones to be uploaded. APC stole Peter Obi's votes. Tinubu forged his certificate. The judges' rulings were shameful and disgraceful as they abandoned the constitution and electoral law. It is funny to see some Nigerians saying that they are very much ready for 2027 elections. Like, seriously? Nigerians, who do all these things? You guys, you easily move on. You guys, you easily forget things. So, election they just do now. Now, see, say people buy, people injure, people travel all the way from diaspora, come down to Nigeria to vote for Peter Obi, and they stole his mandate. They stole your mandate. This is the people's mandate. They stole your vote, and now you are saying that you are ready for 2027. I think you are really mental. They worry you. Like, I don't get it. Go and vote in 2027. Let's see if your vote is going to count. They may even buy you safe. You don't even know whether you even be alive safe. Many Nigerians are regretting going to cast their vote in the last election. And funny enough, Tinubu is coming out to say that he's begging all Nigerians to join him and build a great nation. No be juju be that. Please, so how is it possible? You that you are an illegitimate president, you want to build a great nation. No be juju be that. Lies upon lies, propaganda upon propaganda is what APC people they are known for. You have no substance, you have no morals, you lack the character, you don't have any clue how to govern a nation. You could not even present a single life history about yourself. You could not present a single certificate to your name that was not forged. You have also shown to have no regard for education. You dey tell us say shey na statistics we go chop, and you talk say you graduate as the best student, and you are telling us shey na statistics we go chop? From the president o. How will you build a great nation? All you know how to do is borrow money up and down. So you don't even borrow over 30 trillion naira without knowing how you are even going to pay back. You have no respect for the lives of young Nigerians. Even those that lost their lives during the election, you didn't say anything about it because it's all your doings. Even your speech after the Lekki toll gate NSAS event is something else. How will you then build a great nation? You are unable to nominate a sound cabinet, and 90% of your ministers are out of place, all of them criminals, because your hands are tied. And you want to build a great nation. Let's talk about the naira. The naira is just a fall like London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down. It dey fall every day. You wake up, you say, okay, now the naira now is almost getting to 1,500. Because of your illegitimacy and lack of regard for rule of law, investors, they no wan come, they no even touch the soil of Nigeria because they are scared. Nobody want to put his or her money where they will tell him or her go to court and you will lose in court when you know you are right. National Assembly, they continue to bleed the economy, approving cars and money for themselves. The hundreds of millions of Nigeria who rejected you because they know that you have nothing to offer anywhere. Even though you have forged and you perjured your way to the Aso Rock, you still will never be a legitimate president. And no matter what you do, you can't favor all of us. So if you like borrow for palliative or whatever, you cannot favor us. And you will never be able to take places or ranks in history, and you will never be recognized outside the country. Even now, presidents are even scared of you. They are even scared of me. Okay, look at now that the Supreme Court has affirmed you. Has anybody called you? Has any president called you? This is what we are talking about. This is what we are talking about. Oh, you will never be like Olusegun Obasanjo. You will never be like Nnamdi Azikiwe. You never even Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. All these people, you will be known as the man who sank Nigeria, and your legacy has already begun. Sinking Naira, sinking economy, sinking rule of law, sinking employment and loss of jobs. Big companies and investors, they are running away from the country because of you. Sit on that chair, Tinubu, sit on that chair in Aso Rock and pretend for as long as you want that you are the president. But you and I say we don't like you. Say no be we no be us vote you. Your children of the corn and them vote you, and they are not obedient. They are not well-meaning Nigerians. They are not the legal people who voted for you. So, guys, this is where I'm going to end the gist. On Monday, being the 30th of October, they are going to release this guy files. He go bad, FBI go release Tinubu file, Nyash go open. So, even if the Supreme Court has affirmed him, if they have affirmed his victory, it doesn't mean that he is now legitimate president. No. That the Supreme Court said that Tinubu remains as a president, it doesn't mean that he is legitimate. Making I just understand that one, because there are many things that the Supreme Court, dismissed. Like they just threw the thing like tissue paper, 25% intensity, forgery, forfeiture, perjury. All those things they didn't even. Well, they talk say the highest bidder and the win case now. What do we go do? So guys, this is where I'm going to end it. Just please kindly like this video.
See, waiting people know be say all these things where they go on for this country now. Now all of us wait there now, the witness, and now we go pay the price. Thank God say we get few people where they come outside, they even talk. So for the entire country now, for the entire judicial system for this country, now only one judge we don't retire. Now if he come outside boldly say the truth, say what thing they happen. The same thing for the whole of entire INEC rec. Now only the one from Abia State. Nena. Now be the only place where they patriotic for this country. Truly, this election don't reveal so many things to me. So people where they share country with, where they claim say that they patriotic, say that they represent us for this country. All of them, none of them. No wonder if you watch the way that judgment go for Supreme Court, you go they surprised. Justice Okoro just read finish. The other one to say I have read from my honorable colleague and I agree with him. The other one I have read from my honorable colleague and I agree with him. I have read from my honorable colleague and I agree with him. Just like that till it's well. One thing I won't make everybody shall know be say there is no amount of whitewashing you can do that will change the fact. The truth remains the truth, and as far as it is inbuilt in our conscience, we will continue to live with it. We will continue to live with it. It will continue to remain important to all of us. As far as that truth is, as far as we have that consciousness of that truth, and we are trying to suppress it, it will continue to be a burden to all of us. Both the one way they look for legitimacy, you go look for entire, because the truth where you suppress just for you to have your way. He no go let you rest. That's normal thing. So anybody where if you say the Supreme Court has given so therefore everything is over, so everybody life will just move on. It's not possible. People will move on with life, normal. But what does it change the fact? You can never change the fact and the figures. As well. And not be anybody God though. And those who feel say for this life now, now be God. Because now get the power to do things. To change things, do as then I remember say a day will come, all of us we go answer to the ultimate judge. All of us.